Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I started my journey really early in the morning. I took a flight from Vancouver to Calgary. It was about an hour and a half. But honestly, I was super sleepy, so I couldn't capture much from the flight. But don't worry. From Calgary to Banff, I am going to show you everything in detail. We are at Calgary International Airport. First, we collected our luggage and then headed straight to the Brewster Express counter because that is the bus we booked to reach Banff. Booking Brewster is very simple. You just go to the Banff Jasper Collection website, pick Calgary Airport to Banff, select your date and time, pay online, and you will get a confirmation with a QR code. One-way tickets are usually around 80 to 100 Canadian dollars. Book in advance so you get your preferred timing. Since our bus wasn't there yet, we left our luggage with them, which is really convenient, and went for breakfast. We chose chachis from the airport food court. We had tomato soup and a sandwich, and both were so good. The soup was warm and comforting, and the sandwich was really fresh. They made this really nice focaccia bread sandwich, super soft and flavorful. Perfect for a quick bite when you are traveling. Honestly, it was just what I needed after that early morning flight. After breakfast, it was time to head to the spot where the bus was parked, which was number 23 at the airport. The Brewster Express bus is big and comfortable, with 56 seats and plenty of space for luggage. It's perfect for the 2-hour ride to Banff, and you get to enjoy some really scenic views along the way.
We have emergency exit windows on either side of the bus. These operate using the bar at the base of the window. You lift the bar up and the window will hinge out from the roof. This is not for fresh air, this is purely for emergency scenarios. I don't want to see those swinging out in my rear view mirror, if you do mind, thank you. And then we have our volunteer firefighter. Our fire extinguisher is just underneath the second row of seats here. And then our paramedic here is our first aid kit just in this overhead bin here. That pretty much covers it for the safety on this bus. Now for some comfort items. We have overhead bins. These are great for holding your things if they are closed. I'm more than happy.
As we started our journey,
Even if it's something as
the
simple
views
as,
out
"What's
the
that
window
mountain
just
called?" I
kept
might
getting
just know the
better.
answer. Or I might not. And then
From
I've got to
wide
look it up.
open
So either way, it's a
flatlands to the
win-win.
first sight of the
Let's
Rockies,
have a safe, comfortable journey. Thank
it
you.
felt like the mountains were slowly welcoming us in.
Just got a fantastic question.
I
from the front
couldn't
here.
stop
How long
staring
should it take?
outside.
I say about 2 hours. And if you're coming, then just coming into view on our left-hand side now is COP, known as Canada Olympic Park. Anyone familiar with Cool Runnings, the Jamaican bobsled team, or Eddie the Eagle? That happened here in 1988 in Calgary, California. 1988, funny enough, went to the Olympics. You might be able to spot the bobsleigh blue splash track making its way down the mountain as we on these 4.3 outside of the Calgary in Calgary. But nowadays, you won't be able to spot it, but there is this way down to the top, and on this we can reach over a quarter of an hour. It's great to see some more stuff with the underpasses. More similar to this previous underpasses are a bit more tricky to spot. Requirements. Need one or not? British Columbia require one on the front. Saskatchewan require one on the
Once we reached Banff, we hopped onto a smaller ride that dropped us right at our hotel. Everything was really smooth and hassle-free. So that's how we got from Calgary Airport to Banff. This is just the beginning of our Banff travel series, and I will be sharing more in the next episode.